Welcome to Zuranesia. I am your friend Zura from Indonesia. Well, now I want to give you a recommended day clubs in Bali, which is very unique and different because it is located at the Gunungan Waterfall. This can be one of your destination list while in Bali. Each tourist will pay an entrance ticket in this tourism area for 20,000 rupiah because Oma Bali is located in Tegenungan Waterfall Village. Oma's parking area is very wide, so it's okay if you come by motorbike or by car. The staff will help you very well. Oke, gengs, kita udah sampai di parkiran motor. Tadi udah beli tiket. Per orangnya 20.000 seperti ini. Oke, yuk langsung kita lihat Oma Bali. Well, this is the entrance area. There is no door, but we have to go down the stairs and walk to the elevator, which will go directly to Oma's restaurant. For safety reasons, the lift should not be more than 6 people. I think this is so cool because this is my first time finding an elevator to reach the waterfalls. Don't worry, Oma staff will always give you directions until you are at the restaurant. You will be greeted by another staff to make a reservation. And you will be asked for your name, email, and signature regarding the rules that applied at Oma. The staff will guide you and explain your reservation, and because I'm not planned to swim, I only book for 2 person only for lunch. What I love in Oma is no minimum price to entrance, so I can enjoy my lunch while watching the views, and of course, the Bali vibes is so nice here. If you plan to swim, you can reserve a sunbed package. It starts from 500,000 rupiah until 2 million rupiah. And to order, use this barcode to connect the Oma's application. Okay, now let's go around looking at the restaurant and let's see. While go down, every spot of this restaurant was so incredible. And let's see, wow, there is pizza. Yeah, looks delicious.
Yeah!
It's like their kitchen here and the staff takes the food through this window. Okay, let's walk again. Wow, this is so relaxing, guys. Swimming with waterfalls views. What do you think? just too excited to see the waterfalls. And lucky only by walk, Oma has an access for guests who want to reach the beautiful Taganungan waterfalls. Jadi untuk menuju air terjunnya itu kita harus jalan lagi guys, jalannya melewati sini. For this menu, I paid around $8 for the pasta and a drink is $3. Okay guys, I hope this video completely explained about Oma Bali. Please support me to upload more videos about fantastic places in Indonesia with like, subscribe, and write down a comment below. Always remember, this is Zuranesia, your friend Zura from Indonesia.